I welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to have 2 Facebook accounts on a single phone. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create 2 Facebook accounts in one phone. A step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Facebook. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook app. Then having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this 3-stroke right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and click on logout. The next thing you need to do is to click on create new Facebook account. Then click on next. Then click on allow. And enter your first name. Then enter your last name. Then click on next. Then set your date of birth. Then click on next. Then choose your gender. Then click on next. Then enter your mobile number and click on next. Enter your login password. Then click on next. Then click on sign up. Then you'll be logging successful into your new Facebook account. So it's as simple as that. So if you want to switch to another account, what you need to do is to simply click on the 3-stroke right here. Then you have to scroll down again, click on logout. Then you have 2 Facebook accounts. So you can simply switch from one another. So this is how to have 2 Facebook accounts in one phone, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.